Hey everyone, this is Sunita Rawat and I welcome you all to Sunita's English Adventure. I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we are going to dive deep into something useful and super fun, idioms. Have you ever heard someone saying it's raining cats and dog and thought, what? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you are going to learn 50 must know idioms and how to use those in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. So, what are idioms? Idioms are phrases that don't mean exactly what the words say. Literal meaning is different and the figurative meaning is completely different. So, don't just go by the words, but there is a hidden meaning. For example, if somebody says, break a leg, they don't want you to get hurt, but they mean good luck. So before any competition, any exams, you can simply say break a leg. That means good luck for the exam. Okay, so you just learned one idiom. Now get ready for learning more. So just be in the video till end. Bite the bullet. That means to endure the painful experience, to suffer the painful experience. I hate injections, but I have to bite the bullet. Burn the midnight oil. That means to work late into the night. I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project on time. Once in a blue moon. That means something that happens very rarely. I eat junk food once in a blue moon. Kick the bucket. It's a humorous way to say someone has died. The old radio finally kicked the bucket. Pull someone's leg. That means to joke or tease someone. Are you serious or just pulling my leg? Cut corners. That means taking a easy or shortcut way. For example, don't cut corners on this project. Throw in the towel. That means to give up. After trying so hard, she finally threw in the towel. Jump on the bandwagon. That means to start following a trend. She jumped on the bandwagon and started following keto diet. Cost an arm and a leg. That means something very expensive. The designer bag cost an arm and a leg. Cry over spilled milk. That means being upset on something that you can't change. It's done. Don't cry over spilled milk. Hit the nail on the head. That means to describe exactly what's happening or to get to the point. For example, he hit the nail on the head with his explanation. Go the extra mile. That means to put in extra efforts. For example, she went the extra mile to make her guest feel comfortable. The ball is in your court. That means I said what I wanted to say. Now the decision is yours. For example, I gave you all the available options. Now the ball is in your court. Back to square one. That means starting all over again. For example, our plan failed, so we are now back to square one. Call it a day. That means we are done for the day. For example, so we have discussed all the important points, so let's call it a day now. That means let's stop working. Burn bridges. That means to ruin your relationship. He burned bridges when he left his job rudely, under the nose. That means something happening right in front of you. The thief stole the wallet right under his nose. Barking up the wrong tree. That means blaming the wrong person. If you think I stole your wallet, you are barking up the wrong tree. Hitting the jackpot. That means to win or succeed greatly. Getting that new job is like hitting the jackpot. In the same boat. That means to be in a similar situation. We are both English enthusiasts. We are in the same boat. Head over heels. That means to be in love deeply. He's head over heels for her. Keep your chin up. That means stay positive. I know situations are tough, but keep your chin up. Actions speak louder than words. That means what you do matters more than what you say. For example, he says he'll help, but let's see. Actions speak louder than words. See eye to eye. That means to agree. Finally, they see eye to eye on this matter. To walk on the eggshells. That means to be very careful. I'm walking on the eggshells today around my boss. Bite off more than you can chew. That means to take on too much. For example, I took extra work at my office, now I'm struggling. I feel I bit off more than I could chew. So, this is it for today, and I hope you have picked up lots of new things today. We'll cover the remaining idioms in our next video. So, till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.